How to redo in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Log in if needed. Once you are there, click All Tools. Choose a tool like Edit a PDF or add comments and upload your PDF. Once your file opens, head to the top left corner of the screen. You will see two arrows. One curving left, that's undo, and one curving right, that's redo. Click the redo arrow to reverse your last undo action. It brings back the changes you just took away. Love keyboard shortcuts? Press Ctrl plus Y if you are using Windows and Command plus Shift plus Z if you are using Mac to redo your last action instantly. Bonus tip: redo only works if you have just used undo. Once you save, reload or refresh the file, redo history is gone. And that's how to redo in Adobe Acrobat. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.